Oh, snap. Darn it. Oh, snap. Darn it. I tried my best not to hit that. This is the guy. Now I'm doing my own little investigation here.
Alright. Now, do you remember seeing anything?
I saw it.
What was it?
Something that would be used to hold some sort of rope.
Okay, yep. So, what you guys hit was a ratchet strap that was broke off from this collision.
Okay.
Alright, so it snapped off, rolled on the interstate, and y'all hit it. Okay? Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this guy in this truck company write down his information and his insurance information and his company name and that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And you'll use that form. I'll finish explaining it to you. You'll fill it out as well. Then you turn that form into your insurance company. Or you can just call your insurance company and just give them that information.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many cars back there was it? I remember seeing two more.
There's one just a little bit, National Guard guy.
Yeah?
And then two more behind that, with both flat tires, and then the one lady had
So how many cars
crushed up
total?
bumper, so three.
3 cars total, so you and 2 others.
No, four including me.
4 total. Okay. Alright. Yeah, just hang tight. Let me see what I got going on here first, and then I'll get with you guys,
Right.
okay?
Thank you. See, it's like your school bus ignores the move over law. How can you expect normal people to do it?
Alright, so this is the form. If your insurance needs something, this is the gentleman's name, the Georgia tag, that's the license plate number, the insurance information, and the gentleman's cell phone number. Basically, just changed lanes into her. Didn't see her.
Okay.
So,
All right.
yeah, that's all it is.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, sir.
Appreciate it.